Good afternoon, students. Today, our topic is economic importance of algae. As you all know, algae can be both beneficial and harmful to mankind. Algae are primary producers of food in a very large way and are used as food, fodder, and manures. Many industrial products like agar agar obtained from algae, and algae can be sometimes be harmful to man by causing damage to buildings and by causing diseases in plants and animals. Now we are studying about the beneficial and harmful aspects of algae as follows. First of all, we are discussing about beneficial aspects. In beneficial aspects, the main beneficial aspect is in the algae used in food, or we can say as a food. Algae have been in use as human foods from centuries in various parts of the world, including Scotland, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, France, Germany, North and South America, China, and Japan. Algae are taken in several ways according to the choice and taste of the pupil. They may be taken as a salad or cooked with meat or eaten as a vegetable sprinkled with oatmeals or fried with meat. Some are added for the flavor of various dishes, while extract from the others is taken as a beverages. The nutritional value is quite high because you all know algae are the autotrophs, and as they contain a good amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and the vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and the E. Commonly used species are mostly marine, and they belong to Chlorophyceae family, like Chlorophyceae members like Enteromorpha, and from the Phaeophyceae family the algae is Laminaria, and from the Rhodophyceae family algae is Porphyra. In Japan, about 20 different kinds of algae are being harvested and eaten. Anori, Aonori. Anori is a preparation of monostroma and kombu of the Laminaria of the Porphyra tenera. Algae name is Porphyra tenera. The total area used for the cultivation of Porphyra throughout the Japan is estimated to be 15500 acres. It's a very large area in which the algae is cultivated. Similarly, Laminaria is widely cultivated in Japan and China, and it is cultivated more like a crop plant, which has resulted in the development of a more stable economic crop. With the development of the techniques of the culturing of the algae, especially with the chlorella and Cnidamus. They are probabilities of the solving the problem of the food deficiency. जहाँ भी फूड डेफिशिएंसी है वहाँ क्लोरेला और स्कैंडमस मेन फूड प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है. द साइलेंट फीचर ऑफ द क्लोरेला इज दैट द सेल इज रिच इन प्रोटीन एंड विटामिन्स कंटेंट्स and it contains all the amino acids known to be the essential for the nutrition of the human being as well as the animals. It also contains vitamin C, provitamin A, thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine, folic acid and p-aminobenzoic acid. There are some minerals are also present, which are the phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, calcium, manganese, copper, zinc and cobalt. And these algae are also being used for the production of the low cost protein. प्रोटीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में भी काम आता है. द नेक्स्ट बेनिफिशियल एस्पेक्ट इज algae used as fodder. The seaweeds as fodder have been widely used in Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Scotland, America, China and New Zealand. In Norway, Rhodymenia palmata has come to be known as the sheep's weed. Since sheep are very fond of these particular algae, Laminaria, Ascophyllum, Sargassum, Fucus are equally liked by the cattle. In many countries, factories have been established to process the seaweed into suitable cattle feed. Eggs from the hens fed on seaweed meal have an increased iodine content, while increased butterfat content of milk is reported from the cattle whose diet is supplemented with the seaweed meal. Third one is fertilizer. Algae used as a fertilizer. The large brown and red algae are used as the organic fertilizer, especially on the land close to the sea. The weed is used either directly or as a seedweed meal. A concentrated extract of the seaweed is also sold as a liquid fertilizer. Like coralline algae, Lithothamnion calcium are used for liming the soil. Similarly is the use of Kara, which becomes encrusted with calcium carbonate. आपने पढ़ा है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की लेयर होती है कारा के ऊपर. However, the greatest utility of the algae as a friend to the farmers is seen in some common forms belonging to the Cyanophyceae. For the capacity to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Cyanophyceae के members cyanobacteria, and the function of cyanobacteria is the nitrogen fixation. So then cyanophycean algae are the main source of the nitrogen fixation and thus increasing the soil nitrogen, right? In the paddy field, they have been seen to produce an effect also similar to that of the manuring with 30 kg of ammonium sulfate per acre. At the same time, there is a considerable increase in the total organic matter content of the soil. And in India, the nitrogen fixing blue-green algae play a part of the tremendous importance in maintaining the fertility of the rice field. Now, next beneficial algae in binding of soil particles. Soil particles की binding में भी algae का बहुत बड़ा use है. The algae act as important binding agent on the surface of the soil. Disturbed or burnt soil are soon covered with the growth of green and blue-green algae, thus reducing the danger of soil erosion. डैमेज सॉइल से सॉइल इरोजन के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं क्योंकि बाइंडिंग नहीं होती तो वो टूट जाती है, टूट के उसका सॉइल इरोजन का चांसेस रहते हैं. तो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को बाइंडिंग का काम भी करती हैं एल्गी. द रोल ऑफ साइनोफाइसियन मेंबर एज अ पायनियर इन कॉलोनी फॉर्मेशन. कॉलोनी फॉर्मेशन होगा, आपस में जॉइंट रहेंगी एंड दस इन द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन इज वेल नोन. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट use of algae. Which algae? Cyanophycean algae. Now comes to commercial use of algae. Many forms of marine algae or Phaeophyceae or Rhodophyceae are the highly valuable for certain commercial products, chiefly agar-agar, agglin and the agglinic acid and the saraginine. Number 1 is agar-agar. Agar-agar is obtained from the various species of the red algae. For example, Gelidium, Cornium, Glaciraria, Phylophora. It is a non-nitrogenous extract from almost in a pure mucilaginous form. The chief constituent of agar is a carbohydrate galactane. And the algae are collected. क्या करते हैं इसमें? Algae are collected, bleached, and the mucilaginous matter is extracted with water under pressure. The purified agar is sold in the form of flakes, granules or strips which are brittle when dry but become tough and resistant when moist. The important use of agar is in microbiology and the tissue culture, in the preparation of culture media for growing algae, fungi, bacteria in laboratories. Other uses are in the cosmetics, paper, silk industries, in canning fish to prevent the soft fish from being shaken to pieces during transit, and in clarifying liquors. It also used as food and in the preparation of ice creams, jellies, sweets and the baking. Next one is carrageenan. Next commercial product is carrageenan. This is a metabolic product similar to agar-agar, obtained from the chondrus and the Gigatina, stellata and the iridia. The mucilage have several important industrial applications. For example, in textile industries, in paper making, to give body to the paper, and in manufacture of straw and felt heads. एज अ स्टफिंग एजेंट, स्टफिंग करने के काम आता है. एंड एज इन इंग्रेडिएंट इन कॉस्मेटिक्स, शू पॉलिशेस, hand lotions, toothpaste, etc. as its emulsifying and the suspending agent, and in the baking, dairy products and the clarifying liquors. Third commercial product is algin or alginates. Algin is a calcium magnesium salt of alginic acid प्रेजेंट इन इंटरसेलुलर सब्सटेंस ऑफ द फियोफाइसी. फियोफाइसी के जितने भी मेंबर्स होंगे उनके इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसिस में एल्जिनिक एसिड प्रेजेंट रहता है. बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्पेशल कोलाइडल प्रॉपर्टीज, एल्जिनिक एसिड एंड इट्स डेरिवेटिव्स find considerable use in industry. Its salts are used in the manufacture of variety of goods ranging from the ice cream, salads, cream, custard and jam of the cosmetics, films, fabrics, ceramics and textiles. They are also used in suspending agents in the compounding drugs, lotions and emulsions. In the rubber industries, in latest production, as in the insulating material, as dental impressions powders, and as a gel in the freezing of fish, and in medicinal antibiotic capsules. The production of algin by the Phaeophycin members varies from the species to species and the genus to genus, besides the seasonal variation in the contents, and the value being highest in the winter and the lowest in the summer. The harvesting of the wheat depend upon the genera used and their habitat. It's also matters. Species of Laminaria, Ascophyllum, Microcystis, Dervelia, Sargassum are the chief sources of the commercial algin. So now we have studied about the commercial products, agar-agar, carrageenan and the algin and alginates.